Get started. You don't have to have it all figured out to start, because it is a journey.
You're ready to take your ministry online, to share the gospel, share the message of Jesus Christ online, and meet people where they're at on the screen. This is the greatest stage, the greatest platform that you can use is sitting right here in your pocket.
So I'm going to power through this.
Thank you for that, Sandra.
You really have brought some clarity for me on what God is asking me to do.
Every session, every interaction, every activation, every exercise, it's meant to put to work what you're learning, what we're teaching, so that you actually do launch come Monday morning.
We really believe that you guys can actually do this weekend.
Wow. I did it. Praise God.
Yay!
Normally, I don't take action like the first day, but I really felt I have to take action. So this was a game changer for me.
We did manage to do our first one, and it's processing right now. He's getting it up still
as we speak.
But I got my video up this morning, and I'm very excited.
It was an interesting experience. I enjoyed it, and it's just given me a sense of accomplishment.
We're going to pioneer something together this weekend, and we're going to do it in joy, not in dread. We're going to do it in delight.
It has never been easier to leverage the digital landscape to disciple nations. Never been easier. And we're going to hit publish this weekend on your first episode. That's our main mission this weekend. Get you guys launched, because I think you take that first step, everything else is actually easier.